Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. We are out here in Kansas City, Kansas. What we have on this project, we are pulling up the existing subfloor inside this house to expose the floor joists, and we are going to get underneath using a combination of 6x6 treated wood support posts, 30-ton bottle jacks, and we are going to first make sure that the floor and the floor joists are back to level where they should be. Any kind of damage that we see on any of the floor joists, we're going to sister onto those with like wood, treated wood, bolted from the sides just to really reinforce everything once we get underneath it all. There's really no basement or anything underneath this floor, so that's why we're pulling up the subfloor first to get those joists fully exposed, and then we just need a tunnel underneath to get our supports in place and get everything brought back to level where it should be. Kind of a historic house out here. Pulling up the subfloor yesterday, we found that there was a lot of old newspapers from 1956 we found that were underneath the subfloor, so it was kind of a neat look there. Yeah, right now we're just continuing getting everything fully exposed so we can get underneath the floor joists, and very soon we'll have this floor brought back to its correct level elevation. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.